Hey guys, it's Valeria, and today we are going to be mixing all my camp slimes that I made here. Mixed together. So I'm going to mix this yellow one that I actually made at home, but I still brought it. And this pink one that I made at home as well. This blue one that I made here with Lily. And so, yeah, let's mix them together. So I have this little container that I make my camp slime in. Oh. Okay, so this is a like turquoise one. So I'm gonna put it in the little cup. And I have the pink one. Okay, so I'm gonna mix this one in.
It's like cotton candy.
Yeah, it's like cotton candy, guys. That's what Lillian said. And then
see what the yellow does to it.
My face, though. And yeah, guys, it's me. And I love you guys all. I mean, love from the heart. I love you guys. I would marry you. Especially all my friends out there. And all the people in school. I wouldn't marry you, though. I would love you as friends. Then I have this yellow one. I'm weird. And I have this yellow one. I'm not sure I'm ready to let this one go.
Can I do a swirl real quick?
She's gonna do a squirrel, and you guys can watch her.
A swirl?
A swirl.
My perfect swirl.
Okay, so wait, let's see what color it is when we mix these together.
I think the blue's gonna take over. I think the pink is gonna take over.
Okay. It's actually really cool.
Is this butter slime?
Huh?
Is this butter slime?
No, I want to make some though. I don't know how though.
You get regular slime and then you put Model Magic in it.
Yeah, that's what Amy told me. Do you have one? I want to. Oh yeah, I remember it turns purple. It's a pretty color though.
And here goes in yellow.
Okay guys, so I'm mixing the slimes together, and it's turning into a sparkly purple because it's sparkly and it's purple.
Because
I put some sparkles in it, and then it's like so purple. You can see very lightly the blue. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys when I have to go over there really quick.
Oh, wait, right here.
I don't want to ruin this color, guys. So me and Lillian are both gonna take a little bitty piece to be the same size.
Here, you put the cup like that, and then put that right here. Oh, they can't see it still.
same size. This one's bigger. Okay, so we have a yellow and purple cell. Tell me what color it is, guys.
It's gonna be brown. You should have seen what is yellow and purple make.
Black or gray? I don't want to ruin both of these slimes.
Oh, it's like brownish. It's like gold. Sparkly gold.
Yeah, but it's not done yet.
See, that looks like gold.
It looks like poop.
Gold. Show him.
Wait, it looks like a tannish gold. It's like a brownish, guys. So, I'm not sure I want to ruin them.
Which colors better, guys?
Obviously,
purple or the gold. The war is on. Dun, dun, dun. You did it.
Yeah, okay.
I asked her before this video, are you ready to get rid of your babies? And she said, yeah. It's like setting babies up for adoption. Can you turn on hotspot? What?
Yeah.
Why'd you say yeah?
Wi-Fi.
Hey guys, so it's me, blah blah Lillian. Welcome back to another video. And today
I thought you said you quit with YouTube.
I did. I don't like YouTube.
Guys, don't listen to her.
I'm just joking. I love my fans. But I'm done with YouTube.
It's not even too much work. All you have to do is make a video.
But I don't want to become famous. And
So?
then have to go to VidCon, then Playlist, and CVS Live.
No, you're not gonna be that good.
Oh, you never know.
I do, because you do.
Can I?
No. No. This looks like poop. I could seriously, like, set it up like a swirl, and it would look like seriously poop.
Batman. No, 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 no. Batman. No, 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 no. Batmobile. Okay, guys. So right now we are just. Oh, that scared me. That is Eduardo. No, no, no. Yes, no, yes, no.
Yeah, guys, that's it. And this is what the round poop slime looks like. This is what the purple slime looks like.
Look at the stand for your mason jar. Do you guys know how to make a stand out of slime? Well, I do.
This one's so like hard and this one's so like smooth.
Which one's?
No, no, no. Oh. We're good. We're good. Okay, stop, 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 stop. We're good, guys. We're good.
Yeah, we're so good. We're so good.
Yeah.
Valerie's not good. She mixed her babies. No!
No. Okay, whatever. I guess it's poop slime now. It actually looks kind of cool.
The purple's gonna take over. she do that?
It's turning into the poop color.
AKA gold.
AKA brown poop.
AKA purple.
BTW brown.
Huh?
BTW brown.
By the way.
BTW brown.
BTW.
This is not gold.
The little piece only looked golden. Now it's like this brown. Oh, I miss my family. I think I'm homesick.
5, 5. On 3, 1, 2, 3. 5, 5. Under the tree.
Sing it. Fire, fire, under the tree. See, we don't have good rhythm no more.
Fire, fire, under the tree. I feel so lonely under the tree.
I got no family. The rest of the family ditched me under the tree.
Besides me. We made that song up. Oh, technically, I made it up. She made the family part up. But we might actually post it, guys. Together.
No vayan a dejar pegado eso en la alfombra, vale.
No.
Como allá en la casa la otra vez. Ay, aquí no duermen a gusto, vale.
Now there's only one more slime that we have.
What about your slimes? So thank you guys for watching this video, and this is a poop slime we have. It is so huge.
Not that big, but it's huge.
Yeah. It's big.
Big. Not huge. It's big. It's huge. Let's see. Let's do the cup song with this.
Mami, no se abre esa ventana, ¿vale?
No sé.
Tu tío anoche anduvo abriéndolas, pero no sé si estas se abren. Yo creo que allá adentro, en la carpa de Mirna, hay una almohada de Carlos, porque él tenía 4 cuando yo llegué para acá.
So guys, this is my poop emoji. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Mwah. Kisses. See you guys next time, and
You do this. You're like peace like this and peace. Do you like this?